Well, here we go, the inaugural run of the GoPro. Yeah, I got me one of those things over the weekend. Pretty good deal, eBay. So we've got a tank 102 yards over here on point. I've got buck about 60 yards. Now the problem is with buck, there is a nasty little gulch. I have to go this way to cross it, so usually I'd go to buck first. He'd pointed first and he's closer, but I think we'll head to tank and see what happens. And then, if everybody holds well, we'll go back over to buck. Fresh snow, it's lovely out. Back a ways, shit, look at all those birds. That's Buck's Point. I wasn't even ready. Wow. Well, shit. That'll happen. Maybe I should have went to buck first. Oh well, we're doing the best we can.